Hi, Macon County. It's Brandi, the administrator of the Macon County Health Department. I hope you're all doing and feeling well and taking care of yourselves. I wanted to check in with you and let you know that there's a lot going on at the health department as usual, but even a little bit more. So first thing I would like to address is the numbers and where we're at right now. I know the last time that I spoke with you in this way, we had some very, very concerning numbers, very high positivity rate. We had some concerning numbers of hospitalizations, and we were very concerned about what could occur over the holiday season if people did choose to gather and possibly spread COVID-19 and put others and themselves at risk. You've probably noticed that some of our numbers have been down. Our positivity rate has even gone down. This is a very hopeful thing, and we do want you all to see the positive in this, and we definitely do hope that this is something that is moving us in the right direction as a community. However, I strongly encourage you to continue to follow those mitigation measures. The reason these numbers are going down can be contributed to several different factors, and one of those factors could be that people are making choices that are very difficult and sacrifices at these holiday times that are very, very difficult to make in choosing not to gather with those outside of their household or choosing to follow isolation and quarantine guidance and follow all of these other preventative measures that we've been sharing with you for many months. I strongly encourage you and ask you to continue to follow these recommendations. We've gone too far already to turn back now. I realize there are additional holidays that are already ongoing and that are going to be upcoming that many of us enjoy celebrating, and I think it's important that even though our numbers are appearing to go in the right direction, that we continue to follow this public health guidance and keep them moving that way. So please, we continue to ask you for the ongoing and upcoming holidays to not gather with those outside of your household. Please follow isolation and quarantine guidance. Please stay home if you are sick. Make sure you are social distancing, even if you have a mask on. Make sure you are masking and washing your hands adequately and frequently. I know that some of these things are more difficult than others, but we ask you to continue to do all of them so that we can keep fighting this pandemic together as a community. Another thing I want to make sure that you are informed about is that yes, we are receiving vaccine this week here in Macon County. We are incredibly grateful for that. And I want all of you to know that our community is incredibly prepared. Not just the Macon County Health Department, but our other healthcare system partners have been planning for this, preparing, and all do have plans in place to ensure that this vaccine is administered as quickly as possible. One thing that it is important for our community to know is that it will take a significant amount of time to get the general public vaccinated. It's going to take the course of several months to get enough vaccine and to get it out to people as we work through several different phases. There are phases and rules, guidelines that we must follow as a health department and as a community in figuring out how and when this vaccine can be distributed to different populations. We will continue to keep our community informed and updated about what phases are here, which ones we expect to come next. And of course, some of this can change as we work through the vaccine implementation. So please continue to be patient, not just with Macon County, but with this huge endeavor throughout our entire country and world. Another thing that I wanted to make sure you all knew is that we will keep communicating with you on a regular basis. If and when we get information about when people can come and be vaccinated, we will put that out to the public. So please continue to watch our daily releases, continue to watch our social media. We do have a lot of staff that have been hired on to help you with questions via phone call, or if you are finding out that you're a positive case, or if you have been in contact with someone. So please know that we are here for you. Please know we are prepared. Our team and all of the teams in the healthcare system here in Macon County have been working tirelessly to respond to and fight this pandemic, and we will continue to. I realize that this vaccine is a hopeful time during a pandemic in which we have suffered a lot of loss and tragedy, and I encourage you all to see this as a joyful moment, but to still be patient. And please make sure as we do start implementing vaccine distribution that you continue to wear your mask and social distance, as it will take a significant amount of time for those vaccines to not only be distributed, but also become effective. If you have any questions, we will continue to put information out, again, via our daily releases, social media, and our website. You're also always free to call the health department at 423-6988, and we will serve you or get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you again for everything that you have done, Macon County, to sacrifice what was our normal for such a long time and make the adjustments, not only to keep yourselves safe, but to keep the rest of the community safe and well also. So thank you for that. We appreciate you, and everyone hang on. This is temporary and it will not last forever. We are in this together, and we will continue to fight this for you and together. Thank you, and take care.